Basic amenities and social welfare development in Bihar under Nitish Kumar. Bihar, once considered one of the India's most backward state in terms of living standards, social welfare, has undergone a significant transformation under the leadership of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. Since first assuming office in 2005, Nitish Kumar has emphasized inclusive governments focusing on the delivering of essential services such as electricity, water supply, sanitation, housing, and social security. His government flagship schemes, particularly the Sat Nishchay and Sat Nishchay Part 2 program, have aimed to provide every citizen with access to basic amenities and ensure that growth reaches the poorest section of society. Over the year, Bihar has witnessed a visible improvement in household facilities, women empowerment, and welfare program targeted at the marginalization. Access to basic amenities, electricity, water, sanitation, housing has been central to the Nitish Kumar's development agenda. When his government took over, large part of rural Bihar's lacked power connection and safe drinking water. The state focus on electrification led to major turnaround. Under the Har Ghar Bijli initiative, electricity connections were provided to nearly every home across both rural and urban Bihar. This program not only improved living standard but also supported education, small businesses and rural industries by ensuring reliable power supply. As a result, villages that once remained a dark age now have extended working hours and greater access to technology and communication. Another major step has been the Har Ghar Nal Ka Jal scheme, which ensured tap water connection to every household. This program, part of the Sat Nishchay initiative, has dramatically reduced people's dependence on hand pump and unsafe water sources. The scheme has also improved health outcomes by reducing waterborne diseases, particularly in rural areas. Women who previously had to walk long distance to fetch water have especially benefited from this initiative, saving time and effort that can now be invested in education or income generating activities. Sanitation has been another priority area under the Swachh Bharat mission and the state-owned Lohia Swachh Bihar Abhiyan. Bihar achieved nearly universal household toilet coverage. The Har Ghar toilet program was implemented with the vision of improving public health and dignity, especially for women. The government campaign promoting hygiene and behavioral change have helped reduce open defections and contributing to cleaner environment and healthier living condition. Program like Mukhyamantri Gramin Awas Yojana has aimed to provide pakka houses to rural residents living in Kucha dwelling. This housing effect have played an important role in improving the standard of living for economically weaker section and promoting social equality. Alongside the development of the basic infrastructure, the Nitish Kumar's government has placed strong emphasis on social welfare and inclusion. Various schemes have been introduced for the upliftment of women, senior citizens, persons with disability, and economically weaker group. A significant milestone was introduced of 50% reservation for women in Panchayati Raj institutions and local bodies. This move empowered women politically, giving them a voice in discussion making and local governments. In addition, programs like Mukhyamantri Kanya Utthan Yojana have supported girls' education by providing financial assistance for school and higher studies. The Cycle Yojana and Uniform Scheme have further encouraged school attendance among girls, helping to reduce dropout rates and promote gender equality in education. The state has also implemented pension and social security scheme for vulnerable citizens. Under the Mukhyamantri Vriddha Pension Yojana, elder residents receive a monthly pension for their livelihood. Similarly, widows, disabled individuals and disabled women are supported through targeted welfare program. These measures ensure that no section of society is left behind in development process. In a recent year, the government has even increased the pension amount to help people cope with inflation, showing a commitment to a long-term social support. Healthcare has also seen steady improvement under Nitish Kumar's leadership. The establishment of a new primary health center, hospital, and recruitment of medical staff have strengthened Bihar's public health system. Scheme focusing on material and child health, immunization, and nutrition have improved health indicators across the state. The government efforts to provide free medicines and healthcare services at the government hospital have made medical care more accessible to the poor. Nitish Kumar's model of government emphasizes the development with justice. This approach ensured that economic growth is coupled with social equity. Programs such as Jivika Bihar's Rural Livelihood Project has empowered women through self-help group. This group provides financial literacy, microloans, and entrepreneur opportunity to rural women, making them active contributors to their family income and community development. The success of Jivika has turned it into one of the largest and most impactful social programs in the state. The government has also made strides in promoting transparency and accountability through online grievance system, doorstep delivery of public services, and a strengthening of local government's institutions. This step have improved citizens' participation and trust in public institutions.